Hi, in this video we're going to do a NPT OD thread. We're going to start with a sketch again. We're going to do a 2-inch NPT. So we'll just make a circle. The OD of a 2-inch pipe is 2 3/8. We'll just extrude it back 2 inches because it doesn't need to be huge. We'll put a hole in it that is 2 inches just to make it look like a pipe. All right. So NPT has a taper. Basic threads in Fusion are pretty easy. NPT threads, you have to make a tapered surface. So what I like to do is take my cylinder, turn it on the side, and make a little triangle with a line tool. So I'll just go down a little bit, go back so much, and close it off. And for this video, it's going to be we're just going to call it a 750 length of taper, and we'll make the angle 1 degree 47 minutes. So we'll make a little algebra formula: 47 divided by 60 plus 1. And there we go. Now we're going to wrap this, so we have to wrap it around the OD of the part. And we have to put the long leg of the triangle at the same diameter. So the diameter is 1.375 divided by 2. Maybe not. 2.375. There we go. And you want to make sure you have the front of the triangle, the front leg, coincident with your 0 point, or your Cartesian 0 right there. That way you don't have a little anomaly or leftover when you spin it, when you wrap it. So we'll take that, we'll go to solid, we'll go to revolve. It's already selected. We're just selecting the axis. Now we have that tapered section on the pipe. You can go a little further and add a, let's say, 80 thousandths chamfer. Okay. So with that, we'll switch to manufacture, and I've already done turning, so this is just going to be the thread. No more, I don't have to do all the other tools and everything like that. OD rough, OD finish, we're just doing threading. Go to new setup. Z's on the wrong side, so we'll flip it. Tell it our stock is from solid, right there. We don't care about the post. Just call it 1 2-inch NPT. Why is it not in caps? 2-inch NPT. OD. All right, right click setup. No, you don't need to do that. Let's go to turning, and we'll go to turning thread. So we're gonna make our tool, plus sign, turning thread. I think it is 11.5 TPI. So we'll go to the insert. Matter of fact, let's double check the TPI. What is the TPI for 2-inch NPT? It's 11.5. Okay. So we'll take that. And I like triangular profile inserts. You can change yours however you want. 750 IC, 1 divided by 1.11.5 for our min. Same thing for max. The rest of that doesn't matter. Cutting data, 500 is probably too fast. Usually cut stainless, so 250 is fine. Tool 3. Press select. Select again. Now you're going to get a tool. Rotate around. It's going to ask you, what surfaces are you cutting? I want that one. Now it defaults to some odd number here. I like to do at least 100 thousandths in front of the face, not the threads because of the chamfer. So I'll go to selection, and you can do from the front of the model whichever you like. I like to select all of my planes, and then for the back we'll take that and we'll go back 1 inch, 250, because we had 750 for the tapered area. Alright, clearance is going to be, I like selection again. You can pick whichever one you like. All you need is 200 thousandths. I don't remember the thread depth. It's probably 78 thousandths. The pitch is set. In-feed angle you don't have to change. You can probably put it at 14 so that it ends up being 28 degrees. I don't like fading my insert. My thread is, I do like to use a cycle. And if you're in stainless, it's 2. 2 is pretty high. So 78 divided by 2 thousandths is 39 passes. So we'll make that 39 passes. And if you zoom in, you can see all of those passes right there. And it ends right there above the chamfer. That's fine. Let's turn that. Press OK. There you have your NPT. And if it looks a little deep, you can use the handbook and get your numbers perfect. The point of this video is to show you that you need a tapered surface to do a tapered thread. Fusion doesn't like making it with a surface, a cylinder that's straight. Gibbs cam will do it. At least I don't know another way in Fusion to do it. So let's take that and we'll post it out. We use a Haas ST10 2-inch NPT. That's fine. We don't care about the rest of that stuff. Let's post it out and see what we get. So you have G76, Z-1, I, K, D, A, P3, and a feed rate. So that looks great. Try it out on your machine. Cut air if you need to. Don't fully trust yourself on a fresh part or a fresh program or something you don't know will already work. Trying to get to a simulation here. Simulate with machine. and here it goes. Let's turn off the model, that way we can see our thread. So that is the simulation. If this video was informative, like and subscribe.